What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix TikTok privacy settings. Like, there are a lot of privacy settings you can fix, or you can change the way you want. Like, let's start right now. What you want to do, guys, you want to open your TikTok account and then click three lines in the top right corner, and then click settings and privacy at the very bottom. Settings and privacy, and after that you want to click on privacy, the second option. Click on privacy, and here you can find a lot of privacy settings to choose or to change as you wish. So the first one, guys, is private account. Okay, if you already have a private account and you can't make it public, like whenever you try to make it public, TikTok is not allowing you. That's really because your age is under 16. That's the reason why you can change it. I made a video about this topic. Just change your age, and then you can just go make your account public. It's very easy. Click in the video, in the link in the description. I made a video about how you can change your age on TikTok very quick. It takes only 1 minute. So like I said, guys, there are a lot of settings here you can change. For example, comments, just click on comments, and here you can just, the TikTok says here who can comment on your videos and stories. You can choose whatever you want. For example, followers that you follow back can comment on your videos and stories, but anyone who doesn't follow you back, they can't comment. But for me, I selected everyone, like everyone can comment on my videos. Here filter all comments. Like, if you want recent comments on your videos to be hidden until you approve them, you can just toggle this. Like I said, there are a lot of things here. Just go back, and here you can click on following list. You can then TikTok says here who can see your following list. You can choose everyone, only me if you want. If you don't want anyone to see your following list, people you follow, you don't want anyone to see them, just select only me, and nobody can have access to your following list. You can also see liked post, liked videos. Liked videos. You can choose whether you want people to see videos that you have liked on TikTok or not. For me, I don't want anyone to see videos that I have liked, so I just selected only me. Like direct messages, if you want everyone to send you a message on TikTok, like everyone who watches your videos, if you want to send you a message, they can send it to you. You can just select everyone, or if you don't want anyone to send you a message, you can just select no one here at the very bottom. That's all, guys. You can just choose anything you want here. A lot of privacy settings here. I hope this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. If you guys want to get 1000 TikTok followers in just 1 minute, click in the video in the screen right now to get 1000 TikTok followers in just 1 minute, so that you can impress your friends with 1000 TikTok followers in just 1 minute. See you guys in the next video.